Hi there, students. A waif. A waif. Okay, a noun. A countable noun. So, a waif is normally a child or maybe an animal that doesn't have a home, is homeless. Yeah? They don't have enough food and enough care. They're normally thin and dirty in appearance. So in Victorian times, there were many waifs and strays on the street. Yeah, this is a rather literary word. Yeah, a child without a home. So from Oliver Twist, Fagin used to take in waifs and teach them to steal things for him. Okay, so a waif. You can also use this word, a waif, to talk about a person who looks particularly thin. But you're a waif. You've lost so much weight. Are you ill? Are you okay? Yeah? And then you can also use this word, a waif, to talk about something that you find, that something that's unclaimed and you don't know who it belongs to. So maybe a thief is running away from the police and he throws the things that he's stolen, and later you come across this and you don't know who this belongs to. This is a waif, or an object cast up by the sea. So something that's homeless. I don't know. Whenever I do wash my clothes, I often find a waif sock in the dryer. Yeah, it's there. I don't know who it belongs to or where it's come from, and it doesn't have a partner. So a waif is something that's been forgotten and lost. Yeah, lost property. I'm imagining the lost property office at a railway station is full of different objects that are waifs. They've been lost by their owners. But effectively a waif, a homeless, neglected, abandoned person, particularly a child. Very often we use this phrase in the collocation waifs and strays, or a waif and stray. So a waif, a street urchin, a ragamuffin, an abandoned child. Yeah, so something that's been lost and abandoned. Okay, yeah, or maybe there is waifs of old meals in Tupperware containers at the bottom of the fridge. Yeah, things that you've forgotten there, and they're just little pieces or just small things. Okay, so this is the idea of a waif, but a waif particularly a homeless child. This is something you will find in Charles Dickens, for example. And then again, I said somebody who sorry about that. Somebody who looks very thin, but she was a mere waif. You're never going to call me a waif because I'm overweight, or a piece of property that was found but is unclaimed. So a waif. Am I going to? Dear oh dear. Sorry about that. Okay, a waif. So, yeah, a stray person, a stray animal. Yeah, I found this dog as a waif on the street. This word sounds rather literary as well. So I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. Would I use it informally? You might just. But I think probably better semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing, especially something rather literary. And then as to origin, well, it comes from waif, which in old British law was property that was found and nobody knew who it belonged to. And the right of ownership could be granted by the lord of the manor. So a waif, a homeless child. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Waif.